Hi, I'm Kramer at ISE 2020 at the audio section of our VIP lounge. We are showing here for the first time our full family of DSPs, the Kramer experience. 4 flavors of our DSP family, starting from the top. We have the flexible ports, the Flex IOs, 20 ports, you can assign input and outputs. We have HDMI connectivity, Dante, built-in power amplification. On the flagship, we have AEC and audio over USB. Second from the top, the AFM20 DSP that's been shipping and being amazingly successful for us. The new one underneath it, the LE version, is the same idea of flexible ports, just without the HDMI, without the Dante, and without the amplifier. Bare bone, flexible analog ports, and that's it. And the last one, the last and the newest one that we have, just won the Best of Show award for our newest, smallest DSP in the line. Designed for Huddle space, this is a true Huddle space killer. HDMI connectivity, bidirectional USB, class compliant. This means no drivers installed. Guest side for the audio. On the other side of this unit, you can connect 4 microphones, another HDMI input. You can switch between the 2 HDMI inputs. 4K 6444, everything you need for a Huddle space. New form factor, tiny, will sit under the display or inside the T-Bus. This was me. For more information, visit our website at kramerAV.com.